Let's be real. For years, making anime-style videos was a pain. You had two options: pour weeks into learning animation and frame-by-frame drawing, or pay for a service that locks your creativity behind tokens, quotas, or subscription paywalls. But the game has changed. Meet Animon AI, the world's first anime-focused AI video generator that for now remains free and unlimited. That's enough chit-chat. Let's get into it. Animon AI is a next-level Japanese AI service built by people who actually understand anime inside and out. If you've ever wanted to make anime, comics, 3D cartoon videos, or even classic Japanese art come to life, you're in the right place. First things first, you'll want access. The link is in the description. Click it. Animon AI keeps onboarding ridiculously smooth. Just sign up with Google or your email. That's it. Now remember, here I'm using the free plan to show you guys the capability of Animon AI's features, and if you're satisfied with the free features, you can indeed go for the big guns with the studio subscription as well for more advanced generations. Once you're in, you'll hit a dashboard packed with community creations, real videos from real users. Scroll, get inspired, and if you spot something cool, there's a recreate for free button right there. Animon copies the prompt and image reference for you. Want to tweak the action or vibe? You can edit the prompt before hitting generate. Prefer making something 100% original? No problem. Let's go step by step. In the home, let's go for the image tab. It brings you to an interface where you can input your prompt to first create an image. In the text to image section here, let's just type a simple prompt. A girl standing in a forest. The image generating model is already selected as per the free plan, and you can select the aspect ratio and the style you want from here. You can choose from various styles like anime, comic, Chinese traditional, webtoon, or 3D anime as well. For our example, let's go with anime style. And here we have our image. Wow, that looks pretty good. Let's download this one to proceed with our next steps. Now, the real magic. Let's animate. Open the anime section. The page looks similar, but here, you upload an image and add a motion prompt. Your image is the base. Describing what you want to happen is the key. Unlike the image creator, you don't need to mess with as many settings. Aspect ratio and style are set by your image. Now let's upload our generated anime image, and now you can describe what you want your character or scene to do. Let me type, the girl is happily jumping in the forest. For best results, keep it concise but specific. Or you can use a chatbot like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to create detailed prompts for your creations as well. And here's a pro tip. Turn on the prompt enhancer. It lets the AI polish your instructions, boosting animation quality, especially for beginners or non-native English speakers. We can generate one output as per our free plan, so let's hit generate and give it a minute or 3. Your animated scene will appear right in your account, ready to download. And here we are. That's a great outcome. Honestly, I could not be expecting a better outcome, especially considering this is done in the free plan. And remember, you can generate without a limit. Here in the Assets tab, we can see our creations on the platform with a 5 GB storage, and you can further upscale, recreate, or share them as you want. Animon AI keeps things real. It's meant to animate images, and does the job shockingly well. You can't generate video straight from text, but you can turn any AI image into an animation in minutes. With the free tier on Animon, you can make as many animations as you want, and the only catch is a small watermark showing it's made for free. Even better, most videos are done in just 3 to 5 minutes, even if you haven't paid for a thing. The whole interface is seriously beginner-friendly. You don't need any experience at all. Upload your image, type out your animation prompt, and you're off. No clutter, no confusion, just pure creativity. Getting started could not be simpler. Sign up is over in seconds. Check out the community feed for inspiration. Remix, rebuild, or regenerate anything that grabs you. Or upload your own original art and instantly turn it into a moving anime scene. The workflow could not be more straightforward. Just drag in your image, describe what you want to happen, hit generate, and let Animon do its thing. Once your clips are ready, throw them into CapCut or your favorite editor, add music, effects, or whatever polish your story needs. If you've ever wanted to bring your art, your characters, or even your weirdest ideas to life without spending a ton of time or money, this is the moment to go for it. Drop a comment below and tell me, what would you create if you could animate absolutely anything right now for free? If you're as impressed by Animon as I am, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in our next video.